of yours. Third question. Show that square root of 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a, which is equal to secant a plus tan a. Okay, this is the given question. We need to take first LHS and we have to prove RHS. Okay, LHS. What is the LHS? Square root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a. Here this square root we have to see this numerator and denominator. Here denominator 1 minus sin a is there now. With 1 plus sin a you have to rationalize this. Okay, so I did this, that only 1 plus sin a by 1 plus sin a. I rationalized this. Okay, here square root of 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a we can write as 1 plus sin a whole square divided by a minus b into a plus b. Okay, we can write as a square minus b square. Okay, if you don't know formula, see I am writing a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. Here a plus b into a minus b is there now. So instead of this I wrote a square minus b square. So a means 1, here b means sin. Okay, a square minus b square. Here square root of, here 1 plus sin whole square is there, no, square root square will cancel. Okay, here 1 minus sin square we can write as cos square, isn't it? 1 minus sin square a we can write as cos square a. Why? Because we have identity sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Okay, see cos square a is equal to transpose of plus sin square minus. Okay, 1 minus sin square a. Okay, instead of this we can write cos square a, that only I wrote here. Okay, so both square root and square will cancel. So numerator 1 plus sin a by denominator cos a. Why? Because here 1 square cancelled, no. See here denominator cos a you have to write individually, 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a. Here 1 by cos a means sec a plus sin a by cos a we can write as tan a. Okay, we got it, RHS. Okay, so we can write as LHS is equal to RHS, that is square root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a is equal to secant a plus tan a. This is third question answer. Okay, next I am going to explain fourth question. See, fourth question. Show that 1 minus tan square a by 1 cot square a minus 1 is equal to tan square a. Okay, first you have to take LHS. 1 minus tan square by cot square a minus 1. Okay, here first 1 minus, here tan square a we can write as sin square a by cos square a, whole divided by cot square we can write as cos square by sin square minus 1. Okay, here you have to take LCM. Cos square a is the LCM. Okay, here denominator 1 means cos square a 1, cos square a times it will go. So cos square a minus sin square a as it is, write down, whole divided by, here also for these two terms you have to take LCM sin square a. Okay, sin square a I took, whatever cos square a is there, like that only you have to write, minus here 1 is there. Okay, sin square a you will get. Okay, now see here this full numerator you have to write like that only, cos square a minus sin square a divided by cos square a into this denominator. If you write upside means we have to write a reciprocal of that number. Okay, see this is the sin square, I wrote reciprocal of this denominator, sin square a by cos square a minus sin square a. This numerator and this denominator will get cancelled. Why? Because same numbers. Okay, remaining sin square a by cos square a, which will give tan square a. Okay, fine. Therefore 1 minus tan square a is divided by cot square a minus 1 is equal to tan square a. Okay, so that is the fourth question solution. Next I am going to explain fifth question. Okay, show that 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta into sin theta. Okay, first you have to take LHS, 1 by cos theta into cos theta. Okay, sorry, this is the minus symbol. Okay, 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. Okay, you have to take LCM. LCM, what you will get for these two terms? Cos theta is the LCM. 1 minus cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, if you take LCM. Okay, so 1 minus cos square theta we can write as sin square theta. Why? Because we have formula from that, sin square theta divided by cos theta. Here sin square theta we can write as sin theta into sin theta divided by cos theta. Okay, sin theta as it is write down. Okay, sin theta by cos theta, what we can write? Tan theta. Okay, tan theta into sin theta, that is RHS. So therefore LHS is equals to RHS we can write. Okay, that is 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta into sin theta. Okay friends, I hope you understood. Next I am going to explain 6th question. Okay, simplify sec A into 1 minus sin A into sec A plus tan A. Okay, this is the given question, we need to simplify. Sec A 1 minus sin A into sec A plus tan A. This is the given data. Okay, next sec A you have to multiply inside the bracket. 1 into sec A minus sec A into sin A. Okay, this is write that as it is sec A plus tan A. Now sec A minus second A we can write as 1 by cos A into sin A as it is write down into second A plus tan A. Okay, second A minus here sin A by cos A we can write, no, sec A plus tan A. Okay, sec A, here you have to write sin A by cos A tan A. Okay, second A minus tan A into second A plus tan A. See, this is in the form of A plus B into A minus B, isn't it? So A plus B into A minus B, we can have formula A square minus B square. Okay, secant square minus tan square. We have identity, no, trigonometry identity. Secant square minus tan square value is 1. Okay, so this simplified, if you simplify this given, you can get the 1 is the answer. Okay, next question I am going to explain. 7th question. See here. Prove that sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Okay, here sin A plus cosec A. See friends, I am taking one more solution. See here, same question. See, same question. Okay, sin A plus cos A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square. A plus B whole square is equal to formula A square plus B square plus 2AB. This is A plus B whole square formula is there, no, this is also A plus B whole square form is there. So you have to expand that same formula. Okay, I did here. Next, see, sin square plus cos square is 1, isn't it? So you have to write 1. Next cosec square plus sec square also 1, that only I wrote here. Next, see here, 2 sin A cosec A plus 2 cos A sec A, isn't it? Now here 1 plus 1 we wrote, no, cot square A. How you can get cot square A? See, sorry friends, this is